In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress plugins very easily. Let's get started. Now to install a WordPress plugin, go to plugins, click on add new, search the plugin here. Now if you know the name of the plugin that you want to install, search for the name here. Or if you do not know and want to just browse the plugins directory, scroll down. And here you can see all the plugins category here. For example, these are the admin level plugins. These are the ad level plugins. And some of these popular ones are Facebook, email, Elementor. Like these are the plugins that people are already searching and installing. You can click on admin, ads, Elementor. These are the admin plugins for your WordPress. Login as well. And these are the ads plugins. This is the Elementor plugin, Elementor website builder, Elementor add-ons for Elementor starter templates. There is also a popular section. Now the popular section contains the names of plugins that people are always searching and installing. Then we have the recommended section. These plugins are recommended by WordPress.org, but you should not just install these plugins as they are in the recommended section. Always install plugins that serve a particular purpose. Now let's say you want to install the classic widgets plugin. To install the plugin, click on install now. Click on activate. And the plugin is installed. And you can see the list of installed plugins in the installed plugins area. Now we just installed classic widgets. You can see classic widgets is installed. Now to deactivate a plugin, click on deactivate. And then to delete the plugin, click on delete. Okay. Now one important thing, make sure you do not install plugins that you got from other sources. Those will mostly have malwares. So always install plugins from your WordPress dashboard. And that's about it for this video. Check my channel for other tutorial videos. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.